Hello, loves. I'm Bree. Welcome to Ink on Paper, where we plan for home, business, and entertaining. So we have our planner ready to go. So we're going to start on the right side. And here are the books that we will be using for this plan with me. We have our budget, household, and Papillon. This is what I'm starting with for spring, and it's butterflies and flowers, and is so pretty from Happy Planner. This is one of the stickers that I bought during the cycle in October, I think it is when they came out with their first line of spring stickers. So that's what we're starting with today. And we have a sticker kit which is called Grand Plans Wildflowers. Very cute. We have the butterflies and wildflowers, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing we always do is we white out the areas that we don't need. I don't need to white this out because I have border strips for those, and I'm using a large sticker here. So we're going to go ahead and white this circle icon here out, and we do this right here. Not too much whiting out this time, and probably this here. And if we need to do any more, then I will go ahead and do it then, but I think this is it. I like these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that's listed here, that's on the horizontal part of the planner, and I think that is really cute, so I always use that. And we have our little tweezers here, so we can go ahead and get started. So we're going to start right up here at top with our first sticker, which is a big sticker, and it is this beautiful wildflower and a butterfly scene, and I want to cover up that circle part of the planner. And I think that is so cute. Look at those beautiful colors of peachy, white, beige, and purple or lilac color. Very pretty for spring. And then we're going to add our daily chore list in a coordinated color, and that's this little quarter here, this little sticker here, that we're going to cover up the rest of that. And I think I would want it like this time, since we already white out. And we have just enough room for our top 3 here. And I didn't want to cover up the butterfly, that's why I put it over a little bit more. And I think that is so cute. Very cute. So next we're going to go ahead and place a little strip. So we have our little sticker sheet that I pulled some stickers from our kit. Like I said, the kit is from Grand Plans, and it's called Wildflowers, and it's perfect for the beginning of spring. And I'm going to go ahead and use this border sticker. This is a digital download. Most of you, if you've been with me a while, know that I love the digital downloads. They're so much cheaper, and you always use them over and over again. All you have to do is cut them out, or if you have a cutting machine like Cricut or Silhouette or something like that, they do have a file for that. So I'm just laying these little border strips on here that came with the kit. Okay, so we have a big sticker here, and now I'm going to start putting my boxes here for my labels, and I'm going to use black boxes because I want to bring out some of this black. We have a lot of multicolors here, and I don't want to overdo it with the multicolors. So I'm going to bring some black out in this section with some boxes for our labels. I don't have to white out too much in this section because this kit was a dashboard kit, and most of the stickers will cover the areas here because they're supposed to fit, and they do fit perfectly just like that. So border that I'm using to cover up these "How You Feeling Today" icons are thin and they don't cover it completely, so I had to white out some of the areas. Hey, cute little fox. You've been with me a while, you know I love to offset my stickers. I don't always like to just place them right in between the lines. Just like we did up here, we're going to do the same on Saturday. Placing the stickers on here. I'm thinking I want to put this here. Is this straight? Even with the tweezers, I'm putting it on crooked. Okay. All right. It is straight now. All right, guys. So, yeah. That is pretty quick, right? So we have our stickers laid down. Now I'm going to go ahead and place our box stickers on here. We have our base here, and I'm going to place the rest of the stickers off my little thing here, and I'm going to fill them in. That's cute. I like that color because it matches that. And meal sticker here. And we have a few more stickers. Let's see. We have some butterflies, so we need a butterfly down here. And we're going to place this one because this one matches the one up there, and plus it covers that orangey stripe down there. All right, we have I want that there because that is going to be empty. That bring in some of that blue. All right, we'll go with it. And we have one more butterfly. All right, y'all. Okay, so we are going to add some days of the week. On this page, I decided to go ahead and white this out because on the first page, I decided to use Kellofaplan lettering stickers. And it just doesn't look right if I do one on one side and not on the other. So I am going to go ahead and place these Kellofaplan weekly stickers on here. This one is going to be Monday. And this is Tuesday. I went ahead and white out every fifth box so I can separate the areas on here. Okay, so now we have a bills, not the money bills, but we do have an auto pay on Monday. Let's just put it right at the top. And that is it for bills. Okay, everyone, we're going to do a quick run through so you can see what's going on here. So this is the plan with me from March 21st through the 26th. Here we have our top three where I circled the numbers here just to bring in some more of that black. We have our daily chore list here that we normally pick our daily chores that we're going to do that week, and we'll plug them in here. I'm loving the background that I have there for the Wildflowers Planner Kit. And then we have a list here that we put for this week where we will fill out the things that we want to do this week or comes up. I don't want to forget, so I will put it here. And we put a nice little decor down here in the corner with some wildflowers and some butterflies just to bring out that same theme that we have up here in the top corner. We have our payments for this week, our appointment this week, the projects that we'll be working on, we have two. Projects 1 and 2. The first one is our attic purge, which I'll be doing for several weeks now. And then number 2 is a multi-purpose room update. I always do a project where I update a room or an area. We don't have any events this week, and then we have a section of what's going on next week that I will write in as the week progresses. Right up here on the second page in the left-hand corner, we have our meals, and then we have Mondays, daily chores, and our projects, which would be our organized seasonal accents. Tuesday is project number 2 and daily chores. Wednesday, we order our groceries. We're doing project number 1 and our daily chores. And Thursday, we pick up groceries and our daily chores. Friday, we prep meals and pay bills. And Saturday, we clean office, dust a foyer. And Sunday, we have our personal care and planner time. That is our rundown for this week, and I will see you next week. I hope you guys enjoyed the layout. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.